Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, right about now, my people, me are telling you, say Jamaica have some of the most wickedest and cruelest and thinkingest thing them out them people. Honestly, on a real level, Zine. And what more I have to say again, my viewers and subscribers, boy, sometimes, you can see things, the people, you can vision things, but when it come on to you, you can't get that vision there for yourself, but for other people, you can't see it. It's like a prophet, but only can prophesy for other people, but not for yourself. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, this picture we are look on, my people, seeing of this youth here. Look how the youth look. Humble, quiet, peaceful. This youth, boy, them say you can't judge a book by cover still, my people, but on a real level, this a youth that look like a criminal, a bad man, or somebody, only thing we could have prayed is a youth or why somebody that cut him down. He must witness something way enough to witness or see something way enough to see me people. You know what I mean? On a real level, only this something could have say why them want him out, or let somebody feel him do something with people and them can't catch Quacker, so them catch the shot and take him out. But this youth was cut down, my people, in a Westmoreland, Jamaica. You understand? And I'm telling them, my viewers and subscribers, on a real level, the family, the parents of this little youth and our people, them feel it to them heart because them cannot believe so this youth and who they really want him, you know what I mean, and get him out like that in this way. They would never expect so them to lose them son in this farm and this manner, my people. But Jaja sees, Jaja knows, him gone. See? So I have an article now, my people, publicizing this story, my people, and I'm going to read it so you can get a brief understanding of what this parent is saying and a little more about this youth so you can understand him, because them say he was a man of God, my people. He was a youth, but a God himself, my people, and him could have seen things, you know what I mean, like him could have seen things, but sadly, my people, when it comes on to him, as I said before, him could see it and know, say, say them half of me or them want me out. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, because the thinking, same thing them done a Westmoreland, my people, them get out the youth. Only Jah sees and he knows. So let me just read this for people. Westmoreland, Jamaica. A man who was gunned down in Little London in Westmoreland on Friday morning has been hailed as a man of God. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, the people. Friday morning, them cut him on. So Friday would have been what, December the 23rd, my people, 2022. And that's when them cut down this local youth. Just recently, my people, cut him down by his family and the wider community. Christval Gale is said to have been riding home on his bicycle from a choir practice at his church when he was killed by unknown assailants. He was a man of God. He's a good boy, a prayer warrior, his mother Millicent Richard said of her now deceased 27-year-old son. Richard said Gale left their home in the crime-plagued community of Russia to live with his bishop, who heads the King Jesus Pentecostal Church in the parish. 3 years ago, him left and lived with him, bishop. When him sing and pray, the yard mash down. Me no know how him not see that death there, because everything him always see when I ride, the mother added as she believes her son had spiritual gifts, she said. So me are telling them, people, the youth gifted, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, and they thinking, same thing them getting done. Gil's father, Devon, told news that his son was a good youth who had a close relationship with God. He was a man of God, baptized and filled with the Holy Ghost, he assured. Meanwhile, the family told news that their Christmas preparations have gone sour, given the death of their loved one. Right now, Christmas has come, and it's a dawn in the family. I thought it was going to be a Merry Christmas, but it's not going to be this year, a distraught Nikisha Gale revealed. Nikisha said her brother's death has come as a shock to the family, as he was no troublemaker. It's really shocking to the family because it's not like he's a person who give trouble. We never really expect in a million years that this did go happen. The seemingly disheartened woman added. As for her mom, she too agreed that the Christmas will not be so merry this year. Bitter, it not go nice, not a pretty Christmas with me this year. It don't pretty with we, cried Richards as she took a glance at her son's photo. Some people, this youth are basically them say, he move go live with them bishop, my people. You understand, in a different community, So I'm left when parents place them, my people, and go live with them bishop. You know what I mean? I don't know what fully make him decide, say, you know what? Him want go live with him bishop in a community where them say is a bad community in Russia, my people, where plagued with crime and violence and them something, my people. See? So for some people, I don't know what them are pray, what them are think, my people, and anything can happen. Zine, and as me have say people, I'm not judging no one. Zine, but what type of bishop is this bishop you know? Because we know we about some bishop in a people and recent story go on, and I mean not discriminate or talk bad, but we know sometime some bishop and them have some type of church with people, but them not are them real type of something, especially if you come on to them rapid type of something with people. You understand? Because we remember the story that happened the other day with the youth from down where happened down a runaway with the youth from Chilana. The people, and when them go in a hotel room, them find this and you hear so that, and that youth was what begin a revival, you know what I mean, for them type of thing. So I'm wondering and saying people, I don't know what type of something for some riv something people, and other youth pre-answer your other youth, you go the other way I'm lean, but we get rid of the something. You know the talk, my people, which it should never go like that, my viewers and subscribers, because every man get them chance in life, and a man making chance, you can't tell him how to live, you know what I mean? Once, as me said before, him not forward to you and want to say certain things or put certain things towards you, it should not be a problem to you. Even if him surrounding you and your surrounding, my viewers and subscribers. See? But for just, what me I say, for just see a humble youth riding his bicycle home, and that man just don't want to get him out like that, for what reason? As I'm saying, my people, there must be something in the brain, in the head, where them are praying for something occurred, something happened. But I'm saying it's wickedness and it's crueltiness. And as well for the parents of the same people, he was gifted, and them wonder how him could have seen that. Because he can prophesy if you see other people's stuff, my people, other people's life. You know what I mean? Things are going to go bad, things are not going to go good. But when it comes down to him, my viewers and subscribers, sadly, him never see nothing. And see the same thing, them cut down the youth while him on him bicycle and go on, my people. This is totally wickedness and crueltiness. You understand? Totally wickedness and crueltiness. When me look on the photo, I say, look on this youth. What this youth could have really do now? Honestly, where him could have sense or think of him doing nobody nothing, my people. You know what I mean? Like in a war, you know what I mean? In a some argue. This youth just looks so humble. But as my semi viewers and subscribers, what type of what them call it, him a go? Zine, because I know how my country stay, I know how my country set up my people, and especially in a time like now, enough of them youth, them have them pie so much of people, it come like nothing to them, you know. You understand? It come like nothing to them. So for them now, them are looking to it and go to plan out and say, see the youth, a long time them want him out, you know. I now make him live for see all the Christmas, you know. You know what I mean? We are going to get him out before that. And when they touch the 23rd, my people, that's when they strike. That's when the same thing them strike. And them plan, them wait, and them knock out the youth, my people. Basically, that's how me have to pray. You know what I mean? Because for the parents them speaking, and my understanding based on what they said in the article, my people, them never say me have no trouble. Them never say me have no problem with no one, my people. But all them can say is he was a good youth, you understand? Christian youth, him filled with the Holy Ghost. You get me? I said him could have prophesied and say things in people life, but when it comes on to him, he could have seen nothing, my people. So all me have to say is, my people, me can't say, yo, you know what I mean? I'm going to certain part me have to pray, but them I'm going to mention in it about the bishop, say move go live with them bishop, no explanation towards the bishop, not if they get any information or speak to the bishop after this incident do occurred. You understand, my people? I don't know if they do get the information pertaining to that. So I just them side of me have to pray, and if I was the investigator, my people, the police who dealing with this, honestly, me I go on the bishop side and me I go dig deep on the side there and say, yo, you know, if I this or the real thing really I come off of my people, you know, because it never said like it was they think it was a robbery or something like that, my viewers and subscribers, but sadly the youth gone, you know what I mean? I live for say Christmas, you know, but for the wicked them, you know, all me have to tell you know, a man may feel like him can do crueltiness, him can do wickedness. Yeah, for a couple of years I may get through, you may go and go, you know what I mean, you may die doing wickedness, doing crueltiness, but don't believe see at the end of the road that, because I've seen it over and over, we all have a price to pay. You know what I mean? We all have a price to pay. Some of the wicked sin thing, when you're not dead or nothing, you know, you don't tell enough family children, you know, no wicked and cruel. So when me dead just burn me, because I don't believe say when you throw the wickedness them on down, when they burning now, you understand? You don't have nothing to worry about, you know, just gone and just vanish like that. But remember, everything You may burn the body, but the spirit never burns. So you still have your price to pay to the Almighty. Just remember the attacking bastard. That's so continue doing bad. Continue doing wickedness and crueltiness against your own brothers and sisters and say what will happen to you. Remember, you know, Jana sleep and Jaja sees and he knows. Remember the attacking bastard. That's some people. Big up in a cell, man, and thanks again for the love, the support, the like, the share, and every comment to people. Don't know me appreciate you all so much. And a Merry Christmas to you all, my people, and a Happy New Year when it comes. But Merry Christmas. Today is what? The 25th of December upon the Christmas. We're doing the vlog with people. So Merry Christmas. I love you all. Blessings. Thanks much. Blessing.